All right, let's add some gearboxes to our car. You'll need 2 of them. So I've already downloaded it and I've already imported it. So I can see that I have a gearbox. Um, so let's put it in our assembly now. So I can insert the gearbox and I'll just click anywhere and green check. Now I got to put it where I want it. Now our vehicles should be rear wheel drive with the single wheel up front. If yours is different, I guess that's fine. But I think most of our cars will be rear wheel drive. First of all, this little tab here on the end, they come with that tab, but don't worry about it. We can always cut it off. It's just a little plastic little thing there that we can take off. Also, these 2 white pieces here. Oh, look at that. Our gearbox doesn't have the other one. It comes with both of them, but we can cut one of them off. Any case, you only need one for the wheel. Each gearbox powers 1 wheel. So here's what we do. Let's mate. We'll do a fastened mate. And I've found the best place to put these fastened mates, I think, is in this corner right here. So give it a second. And on this top surface, there it is. So make sure you're on the top surface and then put it here. And then mate that corner to this corner. Make sure you're on the bottom if you're, okay? And that'll just get us started, right? Then we'll want to offset. Okay, so we're going to want to offset it so that this center is like over here somewhere. So our offset, you click here, and that is in the red direction, that X direction. So let's see what happens when I type in a 1 inch. Moved it the other way. So let's go -1 inches. And now we're there. Right now, oh, look at that. That's good to know. The distance from here to here looks to be 1 inch. So if I need the center of this wheel to be 1 inch from here, then I should type in -2. Now you'll notice that fasten mate, it started here and I offset it 2 inches to there. And now that's right where I want it. Boom. Okay, we'll do a similar thing to the other side, but watch this. I'm going to X out of here. I'm going to insert another gearbox, put it anywhere, but I need to rotate it. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees because this has only one of those little drivers on it. So one sticks out to the left, one to the right. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put that corner, or no, this corner with that. So I'm going to fasten mate. And you got to get up there, that corner to that corner. And then I'll offset that one the same amount I did on the other side, which is -2 in my case. Okay, sweet. I got 2 of those babies ready to go. Nice. Now I just go find my wheels. I'll do that in the next one.